Hey, my name is Ben Hearn. In this video, we're going to talk about blue irrigation fittings, how they're used, where to buy, and how to install. Blue irrigation fittings are the easiest and best fittings to connect polyethylene pipe in irrigation systems. There's no need to hammer or walk them into the pipe. Just twist the fittings clockwise into the pipe and let the double helix design pull the pipe onto the fitting. Once the pipe has been covered, all the barbs and fastened with a stainless steel pinch clamp, you are assured a connection that does not leak and will withstand the water pressure of the irrigation system. Used with drip irrigation, home sprinkler systems, and other residential or commercial irrigation applications. Users will range, so a DIY installer can do it. It's a very easy fitting to install. You're also going to have irrigation contractors, plumbing contractors installing them as well. These blue irrigation fittings are going to be used in commercial or residential irrigation systems. They could also be used in a drip irrigation, on farms, barns, things of that nature. Blue irrigation fittings carry a 5-year warranty. They're going to be 100% corrosion resistant. They're approved for applications up to 200 PSI. May be used in underground applications, whether that's a sprinkler system or an irrigation system, and you're going to want to use it for cold water applications only. Blue irrigation fittings are going to be similar in cost to your traditional gray insert.